Okay, hello everyone. I'm Abhinav Gupta, and लोग मेरे को जानते हैं through the very like mixology session which is called Where Are You Food. So it's called Where.Are You Food. So basically what I do here is that एक mixology class होता है, एक mixology session होता है, wherein we mix things together. So today I'm here at Nature's Basket, which is India's foremost gourmet shopping store. It is the one go-to destination store for all those people who want to do the gourmet shopping. Exotic things, domestic things, international things, whatever you want to shop. I think Nature Basket is one of the best, stop shops here in Mumbai. They have their many stores all across India, and that's definitely going to give you an edge क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक चीज़ आपको मिलता है. You want something exotic, you want something which is not so exotic, something domestic, Indian, international, anything and everything you're gonna get here. So today I'm here at the Bandra store, wherein I'll be just teaching you, and I'll be preparing some of the mocktails which you can prepare in your New Year's Eve. आपका कुछ भी festival रहता है घर पे, you have the house parties, family parties, because obviously lockdown है and curfews हैं, we cannot go out of your homes, you cannot go into the clubs, you cannot go out of the restaurants. तो वो एक zest होता है ना, एक छोटा सा mocktail का flavor होता है, that's always missing out there. So I think that would suffice when today's mixology session it ends up. So in this mixology masterclass by Nature's Basket, I think we are going to give you a few tips and tricks, a few insights that how we are going to use all these ingredients and how we are going to mix different things together and create something very beautiful out of it. So the first up we have, the very mocktail which I'm going to begin is going to start with raspberries. So Nature's Basket में when I was walking down the aisle, I just found out these थोड़ा बेरीज का एक मिक्सचर बॉक्स विच आई थिंक जहाँ पे हमें रेस्पबेरीज का, ब्लूबेरीज का, ब्लैकबेरीज का एक मुझे अच्छा बॉक्स मिला, एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग कि आज इससे हम कुछ एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग सा बनाने वाले हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम गोइंग टू चॉप देम अप. बहुत ही बेसिक सा चॉपिंग करेंगे, कोई बहुत ज़्यादा हम इसको ज़्यादा वो नहीं देंगे, बहुत fine chopping नहीं करेंगे, like a very rough chopping. Now you can also use strawberries into this, like an alternative. Why I'm using raspberries is because raspberries has a more vitamin C flavor into it. अब एक छोटा सा question you guys can mention in all of your comment sections. I want to know the origin of raspberries. Google मत कीजिएगा, it's very simple. हम हर कोई जाते हैं. Since I'm telling you that it's Italian in flavor, you can tell me कि raspberries कहाँ से आए हैं. Give you a hint. I told you it's Italian in flavor. So Italy से तो नहीं है definitely. It's from Europe. Raspberries come from Europe and then they move to North America. But other berries like blueberries, blackberries, they come directly from the North America. So अभी मैंने क्या किया है? I've taken 2 to 3 berries which I have just chopped, right? और मैं ज़्यादा flavor नहीं दूंगा इसको berries का because I'm going to top it up with ginger and all that stuff. So मैंने अपने berries को जो है mixer blender में डाल दिया है. I'm also putting a little amount of green chili into it. ज़्यादा green chili नहीं डालना है, make sure. बहुत ही छोटा सा ग्रीन चिली डालेंगे हम ताकि एक हमारा चिली का अच्छा फ्लेवर आए और ऐसा ना हो कि बिल्कुल ही आपके कानों में से धुआं निकले. वी डोंट वांट दैट ईदर. सो आई एम पुटिंग अ लिटिल अमाउंट ऑफ चिलीज इनटू इट. थोड़ा सा आई एम गोइंग टू पुट मिंट बहुत ही अच्छा टेस्ट देता है. सो मिंट ना एक ऐसा लीफ है, ऐसा हर्ब है विच आई थिंक यू कैन पुट इन एनी मॉकटेल, और उस मॉकटेल का जो फ्लेवर है ना वो 2% मतलब 200% इट इज गोना गेट एनहांस्ड. So मैंने इसमें थोड़ा सा डाल दिया है. I'm going to put just a little amount of water into it so that एक अच्छा कंसिस्टेंसी आए. बहुत ही थोड़ा सा, एक ढक्कन पानी will suffice, right? So अभी I'm going to blend it all together. Blending का बात थोड़ा irritating होता है, but trust me, the fruit, the flavor and the entire end result is very very amazing. थोड़ा सा चेक कीजिए कि blend अच्छे से हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ. It's बहुत ही अच्छा blend हुआ है. I am going to take a very glass here. मैंने एक अपना wine glass लिया है because this is the bride, so bride needs to look very beautiful into it. So I am going to put my use my spatula. I'm going to just put the syrup into this. ज़्यादा नहीं डालेंगे. अगर हमारे पास आपको लगता है कि ज़्यादा सिरप आ गया है, we won't be putting a lot of syrups. थोड़ा सा बस ताकि एक अच्छा फ्लेवर हमें मिले और ना कि हमें ऐसा लगे कि हम रेस्पबेरी का जूस ही पी रहे हैं. We don't want that too. Also for garnishing and stuff, I'm going to put a little amount of raspberries का बीच में थोड़ा सा काट के I'll be putting these raspberries into this ताकि एक अच्छा taste और आपकी flavor आपके मुंह में आए. So I'm going to top it up with Sprite, a bottle of Sprite. But before that, I'm going to put up some ice cubes into this because गर्मी है और your chilled mocktails are always they always taste good. Just add some ice cubes. You can also use crushed ice, right? So I am today preparing the non-alcoholic drinks itself. So आज के लिए today it's going to be the Sprite. So I think my blushing raspberry bride is very ready. I'm going to just mix it up with the back hilt of the fork or the spoon. You can use it up. Garnish करने के लिए I'm going to take a lemon, right? And I'm going to cut it up in the dices and in some slices. थोड़ा सा स्लाइस को बीच में से काटिए, which is the very basic garnishing for any mocktail. And trust me, it always works out the best and it always tastes the best. थोड़ा सा straw डालिए because paper straws, because we need to save the environment also. और हमारा blushing raspberry bride is ready. The next step which we are going to use, another thing and another thing for that matter is going to be, we're going to prepare use blueberries into this. तो मैंने अभी भी वही लिया, Nature's Basket का blueberry लिया, which is easily available in the stores. थोड़ा सा I have cut it down. तो अभी blueberry का क्या रहता है ना, blueberry a flavor, it's not like a grape, right? It's not like any other berry, but not like blackberry obviously. इसका बहुत ही what do I say? It's very rich in flavor when it comes to the berry flavor, very juicy, and it has a very tingy flavor when you eat it in your mouth ना. तो इसके लिए ना we are going to add a little amount of sugar and water when we are heating it on the pan, because that's very important. अगर वो नहीं डालेंगे तो blueberry का जो flavor है अच्छा वो नहीं आएगा. The color is not going to get reduced out of it. So मैंने कुछ blueberry को काट लिया है. I'm not going to put the ऐसे ही blueberry because I'm not preparing a jam. Obviously I'm going to prepare a concentrate. I think इतने blueberries काफ़ी हैं. I'm going to put all these blueberries in my heating pan. Right. उसके बाद I'm going to add a little bit amount of water into it. पानी कम ज़्यादा रह रहा है तो we can add more water also. I'm going to add a little bit amount of powdered sugar, caster sugar, brown sugar, whatever sugar you want to use for that matter. And उसके बाद I'm going to heat it up. तो इसको अच्छे से heat करिए, mix करिए, so that the entire blueberry residue it comes out and it tastes very amazing and very nice. So जैसे जैसे heat होगा इसमें से blueberry flavor extract होगा, उसमें कोई भी supplement is not added, any artificial sweetener is not added. तो जितना भी रहता है it's very natural, a very natural process, and trust me guys, it tastes amazing. Putting up here, I am going to add some of the lemon juice first to give it a very lemony flavor. I am going to also, put some lemon pieces into it. It gives a very nice taste. You don't have to peel the lemon completely. Just thoda sa lemon kaatiye and just put it into it. Just put 1 to 2 blueberries. Put a little amount of chia seeds. So now we have the base of this particular mocktail ready with us. So it's going to give a very, very nice flavor when it all comes together. Now my blueberry syrup is also ready. I'm going to add that syrup into this. थोड़ा ध्यान से कीजिएगा. If you're doing it at home, it might spill off. So you can also use the filtered funnel to add these syrup into it. Once it cools down, right? थोड़ा cool down हो जाएगा ना, तो make sure it gets very dense. Now guys, I'm going to add another element in this mocktail of mine. I'm going to add some ginger ale. Ginger ale is going to give a very, very nice flavor. Very nice flavor, trust me, because it comes with a very tangy ginger flavor. So I'm going to add a little bit amount of it. I don't want the fuzziness in the foam to quite an extent, so I'll be just adding थोड़ा सा tilted form में. Use किया मैंने. I'm going to top it up with some ice cubes. And then I'm going to add a little amount of Sprite. And then I'm going to top it up with soda. All of the ingredients which I have got from Nature's Basket, easily available, readily available, and I'm sure it's gonna give a very nice touch to your mocktails and your cocktails, whatever you are using. Chia seeds, we're going to use it again for some another mocktail. And then to garnish, what you can do is you can just give a small cut to your blueberry, and you can add it onto the glass. So we have our virgin blueberry ready with us. So guys, let me move ahead with another drink of mine. So today we are going to prepare the third drink here. We're going to prepare the fruity fantasy. Today I am going to use here the passion fruit, which again I got from Nature's Basket Store, Bandra. I am not going to remove all the seeds here, just going to use it in the drink itself. This is very, very tangy guys, very tangy, but very good for heart, very good for body. It just boosts up your metabolism like in a quick. So the people who are also dieting now, this is something which tastes the best, and this is one of the very, very nice ingredients to use into that place. I've just taken out the passion fruit, giving it a little quick stir, just like we beat our eggs. थोड़ा सा quick stir देंगे, we're going to top it into the glass for that matter. Just add up your passion fruit into this. Now obviously because it's tangy, we're not going to add anything, ज़्यादा sweets हम इसमें add नहीं करेंगे, we're going to keep it minimal. थोड़ा सा lemon, बहुत ही हल्का सा. Then we are going to take the mint leaves. Now here we are going to add the mint leaves after cutting them up. हम directly mint leaves को नहीं add करेंगे because otherwise taste नहीं आता है. And now guys, we are going to top it up with Fanta. थोड़ा सा Fanta and then ice, and then we are going to add it up some amount of Sprite and some amount of soda. After this, just give it a quick stir. So now you see the kind of orange flavor it has, fantasy flavor. थोड़ा सा we are going to add ice cubes into this. And we are going to add the amount of Sprite. Take थोड़ा सा लेमन का स्लाइस, garnish your drink. Take a set of mint leaves, use the toothpick, pierce it up with your lemon. Use a straw and serve it cold. So we have a third mocktail ready for the day, which is called the Fruity Fantasy. Let's move ahead. Now we are going to do something with another sort of berries. We are going to create something with cranberries. I'm not going to use cranberries directly. I'm going to use the cranberry juice. It's very, very simple guys, very easy to make, कुछ नहीं करना है. Cranberry juice को थोड़ा सा heating pan में डालिए, whatever the quantity you want. It is very important. थोड़ा सा amount of cranberry juice. We're just going to reduce it. Into this we're going to add some mint leaves as it is here. We're not going to chop it off. We'll just let it dry a little. Meanwhile, what we are going to do is we are going to take another glass of ours. Because it's a cooler, so I'm going to use this particular glass for a very cooler. I'm going to add a little amount of coconut water. So why I'm adding coconut water? Because I'm going to serve this particular drink for my breakfast. So coconut water always gives. That's not a very a very nice approach. क्योंकि उससे मिंट का जो फ्लेवर होता है it dies off and you're not able to taste the mint properly. Leaves I'm going to just put in my cranberry concentrate into this. Put some lemon juice. And then, like always, I'm going to use Sprite. We'll be adding a small amounts, like some of the ice cubes. The cranberry draught is completely ready. Moving ahead to the last drink of the day, which is going to remind me of my summer back in Punjab, wherein I am going to use the concentrate syrup of Monins, which is easily available at Nature's Basket again, of the watermelon flavor. Take the Monin syrup just in case. So I'm telling you this recipe or with the concentrate just for you people to avoid a lot of your time and effort. If you do not have time, you want to create something instant. Take the syrup from Nature's Basket. Just add it in your glass. A small amount of it will do. ज़्यादा syrups को हम नहीं add करेंगे because it's a very very concentrated liquid. Top it up with chia seeds. थोड़ा सा ginger cucumber लेंगे. Cut it into pieces. Very very fine dices. Like very fine dices. We'll be adding those dices in my drink.
What is the name of the drink that you're preparing?
This one?
Yes.
This one is called cucumber and watermelon draught. Why I say draught every time? Because it's the exact flavor which you get in your mouth while you are eating the watermelon or you are eating a cucumber. So I'm going to add some amount of coconut water into this. A very small amount, not much. And now I'm going to give it a quick stir. I'm going to add a small amount of ginger ale and top it up with Sprite and soda. Ice cubes as well. And finish it up with your garnish. And we have the watermelon cucumber draught ready with us. These were the 5 drinks which I have prepared for the evening for you people so that your New Year's Eve is really really amazing. This was my mixology masterclass organized by Nature's Basket. And all these recipes guys, tag me, where are you food, tag Nature's Basket, hashtag mixology masterclass. I hope these insights were really really beneficial for you and you actually learned something out of it. You actually learned something new out of it, something very creative out of it. Happy New Year guys. This is Abhinav Gupta from Where Are You Food. I really loved making all these drinks for you and I hope that you're going to love making and reincarnating these all drinks back at your workplace and home. Thank you so much.